Roku has unleashed Fairground AI Creator TV, a live channel devoted entirely to AI. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. All the movies on the channel are AI all the way down, from the visuals to the audio. Even the commercials on the channel are nothing but AI. Fairground AI was the brainchild of Colin Petrie-Norris, the ex-CEO of Zumo, and the plan was to give an avenue for creators to showcase the gorgeous things they're creating through a curated experience. While Roku already has a ton of reach, Fairground AI's presence is only the beginning of Petrie-Norris's plans. And it probably goes without saying that viewers aren't as idealistic about Fairground AI or its future. You only need to look at a clip of one video from Fairground AI on X to understand why people hate the channel. The camera work is flat, pacing is monotonous, and scenes are constantly interrupted by nonsensical segments. Oh, and the acting is as lifeless as the algorithm that developed the videos. As some people pointed out, the majority of viewers are most likely bots, and AI algorithms tend to cook the audience numbers, making Fairground AI seem more popular than it actually is. After all, you can access the Roku channel and its videos for free. If the general reaction is any indication, Colin Petrie-Norris vastly overestimated the appeal of his AI-only channel venture, and Fairground AI won't last long enough aired on its other planned platforms. Fingers crossed, Fairground AI will eventually be replaced by a channel with quality programming, something like underappreciated retro cult classic shows that had their licenses lapse. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.